Hey guys, welcome back to Basant Kitchen. Before we get started, I want to wish you guys a happy Eid Mubarak. I hope you guys had a great time. I know we did. So today we are doing my favorite recipe. We are making beef pulao. It is the coolest recipe of all, and we're gonna get started Basant style. So I'm gonna go over the ingredients really quick with you guys, but as usual, I'm gonna have the entire recipe posted in the description box. We have fresh garlic, bay leaves, cinnamon stick, black cardamom pods, cloves, ground coriander, garam masala, red chili, salt, 1 cup whipped yogurt, my favorite, fresh cilantro, star of the show. We have about 5 pounds of bone-in beef. I'm using 3 glasses of extra long H basmati rice, and onions and tomatoes. So this is it, guys. We have all the ingredients in. Now let's get this awesome recipe started. Start off with 6 glasses of water. I like to use warm water to kind of gives it a head start. I'm gonna add the meat. Add the tomatoes. I'm gonna add garlic, bay leaves, cloves, and cinnamon stick and cardamom pods. I'm gonna add the onion in it. Start with 1 tablespoon of salt. Do 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Do 2 teaspoons Black Zeera. 1 teaspoon red chili. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stir it all in, and we're gonna put a cover on it, and we're gonna let it come to a boil. You want the meat to be fully tender and the stock to come out. I'm gonna check on the stock. Wow, it smells amazing and it's going real. Wow, perfect. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna show you guys a cool trick. Well, 2 tricks. First, we're using 3 glasses of rice. So for that, we need about 4.5 glasses of stock. So we have to make sure when we finish our stock and we measure it, we have to have exact amount of stock versus the rice ratio, but no worries, I'm gonna show you how it's done. The second thing is, while the stock is going, the thing that takes the longest is frying onions to make the masala. So once you have your stock on the pot, start with the onions, brown them, leave them on the side. So as soon as the meat is tender, take it out, saute it, finish that step, mix it all in, put it on dum, and no big deal. So in about 1.5 cups of oil, get it nice and hot. We're gonna cut 2 onions. 1.5 cups of oil, I'm gonna put 2 chopped onions. Make sure the oil is really hot so they can start searing right away. Just like this. Alright guys, so the YUKHNI is ready. Wow, smells amazing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the meat out and separate it. So I've taken all the meat out of the stock. What we're gonna do is we're gonna run it through the strainer and get rid of all the broken down onions and tomatoes and the other stuff, and we'll just have the pure stock. So I'm gonna run the stock through the strainer. Wow. Make sure all the stock is in. The same oil we fried the onions with. We're gonna saute the meat really good, get a nice color on it. Add 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon salt. You can add more if you like to add a little bit more zing, and 1 teaspoon red chili. And just saute it all in. I'm gonna add 2 tomatoes and 1 cup whipped yogurt. So I fried my onions dark because the onions, they're not burnt, they have to be dark to give that nice dark color to your rice, and that comes from the onions. Remember, the count is 4.5 glasses. The most important step right here. So you see, Everything is in. Now we have to bring it to a boil, and then we're gonna add the rice in it. The rice, make sure you get everything in because good rice is expensive. Now let's check the rice to water ratio. We did 4.5 glasses of rice versus 3 glasses. 4.5 glasses of water versus 3 glasses of rice. Sorry, got tongue-tied. Now you can see. See, this is what you want right here. This is exactly what you need. Now you just very gently, side to side, stir. When you're working with the right water to rice ratio, this is what you want to see. See, the rice is expanding, water is drying, and soon it'll be ready for dum. This is it. It's ready to go on dum. Move it on the side. I like to use pizza trays. Put it right on top, firmly. Cover it with a rag and put the heat down to medium. And let it go on steam. All right, the steam's coming out from the sides. That's generally my cue. Wow, look at that. Look at the grain of rice. Wow, and the smell is gorgeous. We're gonna let it sit for a little bit before I break the pot. And then we're gonna move on to my favorite part. We're gonna plate Basant style. This is it, guys. Beef pilau is ready and it smells and looks gorgeous. The beautiful color of the rice, and the trick is the onions. We are serving it with cilantro chutney, kachumber, and this is the recipe that I love cooking. This is the food I'm gonna serve in my restaurant. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe because I had a great time making it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we will get you guys next time, Basant style. Okay, I'm gonna take it for a spin. Wow, hot. Amazing. It is just